Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a common problem that many men face, prostate cancer, and how a natural supplement called flowforcemax can help. So let's get started. You can find a priceless and extremely valuable link in the description of this video with more information about this problem. The source was validated before and it has the official info and right product to help you. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers that men face. While it rarely produces obvious symptoms in its early stages, there are a few signs that may signal something is wrong in the prostate. These include a painful or burning sensation during urination or ejaculation, frequent urination, difficulty stopping or starting urination, sudden erectile dysfunction and blood in urine or semen. While there's no surefire way to prevent prostate cancer, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and a balanced diet can help reduce the risk. Regular screenings and checkups are also crucial for early detection. flowforcemax is a natural supplement designed to support prostate health. It contains a blend of potent ingredients that work together to promote healthy prostate function and overall well-being. flowforcemax not only supports prostate health but also boosts your overall well-being. It helps maintain healthy urinary flow and bladder function, supports healthy inflammatory response, and promotes hormonal balance. flowforcemax is made from a blend of natural ingredients known for their beneficial effects on prostate health. These include saw palmetto, Pygium africanum, and stinging nettles, among others. For best results, take flowforcemax as directed by the manufacturer or your healthcare provider. Always follow the recommended dosage and do not exceed the suggested use. flowforcemax is only available from its official website, which is available in the description of this video and pinned in the first comment. It's not available on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or other online stores. To ensure customers receive only authentic and reliable products. Prostate cancer is a serious health issue, but with early detection and the right support, it can be managed effectively. flowforcemax offers a natural way to support prostate health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with flowforcemax in the comments below. See you in the next video.